Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model Y 12-volt battery. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Wear protective gear and ensure the high-voltage system is completely powered down. You will need a 10mm socket, a trim removal tool, and your new 12-volt battery. Taking these crucial precautions ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for everyone involved, making the task straightforward. Now, let's access the battery. Open your front trunk and carefully remove the plastic trim panels. This will expose the 12-volt battery compartment. Next, using your 10mm socket, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Finally, use your trim removal tool to unclip the battery hold-down strap, giving you full access to the battery. With the old battery exposed, gently lift it out of its compartment, paying attention to its orientation. Now, carefully place your new 12-volt battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, using your 10mm socket to tighten all connections firmly. This ensures a proper and secure electrical connection. You're almost done. Reinstall all the trim panels you removed earlier, making sure they are securely fastened. Double-check that no tools are left inside the compartment. Close the front trunk and power on your Tesla Model Y. Confirm that the new 12-volt battery is functioning correctly by checking for any warning lights or error messages on your display screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.